How to remove incognito mode in Google Chrome permanently. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Chrome application on your device, and as you tap on the three dotted lines over here at the top, you'll be able to see the option of New Incognito tab. So here you can see the option of New Incognito tab. As you tap on that, you'll be led to Incognito tab. After that, what you can do is you can just go to the home screen or tap on three dotted lines and then tap on new tab, and the incognito mode will be removed. Now what you can do is go to the Play Store application, and over here on the search bar you can directly search for this app called Incognito. So here you'll be able to see different application that does not able or enables the incognito mode. So you can download any of this app and download it, and you'll be able to remove incognito mode in Google Chrome permanently. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.